Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be going over the active forms of the verb to do. This means that the subject of the sentence is active and doing the action. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The Hebrew verb for to do is לעשות. 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 To say I'm doing as a male, say אני עושה. אני עושה. To say I'm doing as a female, say אני עושה. אני עושה. To say I did as either a male or a female, say אני עשיתי. אני עשיתי. To say I will do as either a male or a female, say אני אעשה. אני אעשה. To say you're doing when referring to singular male, say אתה עושה. אתה עושה. To say you did when referring to singular male, say אתה עשית. אתה עשית. To say you will do when referring to singular male, say אתה תעשה. אתה תעשה. To say you are doing when referring to singular female, say את עושה. את עושה. To say you did when referring to singular female, say את עשית. את עשית. To say you will do when referring to singular female, say את תעשי. את תעשי. To say he is doing or he does, say הוא עושה. הוא עושה. To say he did, say הוא עשה. הוא עשה. To say he will do, say הוא יעשה. הוא יעשה. To say she is doing or she does, say היא עושה. היא עושה. To say she did, say היא עשתה. היא עשתה. To say she will do, say היא תעשה. היא תעשה. To say we are doing as males, say אנחנו עושים. אנחנו עושים. To say we are doing as females, say אנחנו עושות. אנחנו עושות. To say we did as both male and females, say אנחנו עשינו. אנחנו עשינו. To say we will do as both males and females, say אנחנו נעשה. אנחנו נעשה. To say you are doing when referring to plural males, say אתם עושים. אתם עושים. To say you did when referring to plural males, say אתם עשיתם. אתם עשיתם. To say you will do when referring to plural males, say אתם תעשו. אתם תעשו. To say you're doing when referring to plural females, say אתן עושות. אתן עושות. To say you did when referring to plural females, say אתן עשיתן. אתן עשיתן. To say You will do, when referring to plural females, say אתן תעשו. אתן תעשו. I also put on the slide the traditional way to say it, which is אתן תעשינה, but it's not really used in everyday life. To say they are doing, when referring to males, say הם עושים. הם עושים. To say they did, when referring to males, say הם עשו. הם עשו. To say they will do, when referring to males, say הם יעשו. הם יעשו. To say they are doing, when referring to females, say הן עושות. הן עושות. To say they did, when referring to females, say הן עשו. הן עשו. To say they will do, when referring to females, say הן יעשו. הן יעשו. And again, the traditional way of saying it is הן תעשינה, but it's not really used in everyday life. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.